Gray code, interconversion of binary number and gray code. First we will see what is gray code. It is a non-weighted code, that is we cannot assign positional weights to this code. As we cannot assign positional weights, it cannot be used for arithmetic operations. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It is also called as cyclic code, that is two consecutive gray codes differ by only single bit. It is also called as unit distance code. It is also called as reflected code. Now we will see binary to gray code conversion. Suppose n bit gray code is represented by Gn, Gn minus 1, G1, G0, and n bit binary code is represented by Bn, Bn minus 1, B1, B0, then gray code is obtained from binary code as follows. So Gn bit will be equal to Bn, that is the MSB bit, then Gn minus 1 will be equal to Bn XOR Bn minus 1. Similarly, G1 will be equal to B2 XOR B1 and G0 will be equal to B1 XOR B0. Now we know the XOR logic. If A and B are inputs and Y is the output, then 0, 0 will give us 0, 0 XOR 1 will give us 1, 1 XOR 0 will give us 1 and 1 XOR 1 will give us 0. That is, if odd number of ones are applied as input, then output will be 1, and if even number of inputs are 1, then output will be 0. We will see an example. Convert 1101 into gray code. So first we will write the given binary number as it is 1 1 0 1. We name them as B0, B1, B2 and B3. So the corresponding gray code will be, we write the MSB bit B3 as it is, so here it will be 1. Then we XOR B3 and B2. So we will get 1 XOR 1 will be 0. For the next gray bit we will XOR B2 and B1. So here we will get 1. Again lastly we will XOR B1 and B0. So here we will get 1. So the gray equivalent for given binary will be 1 0 1 1. We will see one more example. Suppose we have convert 1 1 1 1 into gray code. We will write the binary number as it is 1 1 1 1. Again we will label them as B0, B1, B2 and B3. So here we will write down the MSB bit as it is for gray code. Then we will XOR B3 bit and B2 bit, we will get 0. Again we will XOR B2 and B3 bit, we will get here 0, and B1 XOR B1 bit will give us 0. So the gray equivalent for given binary number 1 1 1 1 is 1 0 0 0. Now we will see conversion of gray code to binary code. Suppose gray code is represented by Gn, Gn minus 1, G1 and G0, and binary code is represented by Bn, Bn minus 1, B1 and B0. Then binary code is obtained from gray code as follows. So Bn will be equal to Gn, the MSB bit, then Bn minus 1 will be equal to Bn XOR Gn minus 1. Similarly, we will get B1 equal to B2 XOR G1 and B0 will be equal to B1 XOR G0. Now we will see an example. Convert 1 1 1 0 gray into binary. So again we will write the gray code as it is 1 1 1 0. We will name them as G0, G1, G2 and G3. and we will get the binary number or binary code as, first we will write down the MSB bit as it is, then here we will XOR the binary bit, that is B3 with G2. Here we will get 1 XOR 1 will be 0. This will be our B2 bit. Now we will XOR B2 bit with G1. So here we will get 0 XOR 1 will be 1. Again we will XOR this B1 bit with G0 bit. So here we will get 1 XOR 0 will be 1. So the binary equivalent for given gray code, that is 1110, will be 1011. We will see one more example. Convert 1111 gray into binary. So again we will write down the given gray code as it is. So 1111, we will label them as G0, G1, G2 and G3. Then the binary equivalent will be, here we will write down the MSB bit as it is, then we will XOR this B3 bit with G2, we will get 1 XOR 1 will be 0. Again we will XOR B2 bit with G1, here we will get 1 XOR 0 will be 1, and again we will XOR B1 bit with G0, here we will get 1 XOR 1 will be 0. So the binary equivalent for given gray code, that is 1111, will be 1010. Thank you.